Dogecoin, Doge essentially is a mineable coin that in a real sense is presently exchanged at $0.063460 per unit. With the market capitalization of $8,925,864,623, that for the most part makes it a mid-position digital money, which really is very critical. Computerized resources like Dogecoin certainly have currently essentially turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for especially enormous institutional financial backers who explicitly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful in every way that really matters. Support against expansion that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an extremely significant manner. Thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto generally is basically an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who by and large needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years especially. In any case, with it truly comes the need to intently fundamentally follow the improvements on the expressed market, to grasp what is happening, and by and large have some feeling representing things to come, which generally shows that thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto all things considered, is basically an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer who needs to especially develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which especially is genuinely huge. This Dogecoin cost expectation model by and large was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, generally track down the fundamentally the best coins or tokens to basically put resources into and really keep the value been developing. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the genuinely fundamental guidelines of cryptographic money exchanging and speculation a huge way. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its fundamentally current standings, as well as the midterm and really long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our truly exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which basically is genuinely critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.063460, and this in every way that really matters, specific advanced resource, sort of stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide digital money positioning, which essentially is genuinely huge. For certainly your data, the actual positioning of each and every digital money generally is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to in a really significant manner. Likewise, to especially get a certainly better sort of handle of the market circumstance and certainly grasp the overall bearing of the pattern, or to essentially enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to truly dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they by and large thought. Recently, on August 18, the cost of Dogecoin basically remained at $0.061201 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.32% distinction when contrasted with the kind of current value 7 days prior, on August 12. The Dogecoin market most certainly remained at $0.075713 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a fundamentally significant manner. As the outcome, the cost fundamentally moved by 0% comparable to its truly present standing. A month prior, on July 19, Dogecoin really was valued at $0.070175, which in a real sense corresponded with our cost expectation for that sort of specific period in an extremely enormous manner. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 9.57% cost move, which basically is very critical. At the point when it really comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves sort of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its kind of generally speaking prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a sort of significant manner. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a very key pointer to explicitly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, showing how for by and large your data, the especially positioning of each and every digital currency for the most part, is vigorously dependent on its essentially current market capitalization and cost, and sort of is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, or so they for the most part thought. It generally is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that, for the most part, are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the very current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by in every practical sense, remains at $0.063460, or so they by and large thought. Considering that recipe, we fundamentally have determined the essentially current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $8,925,864,623, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those truly present on the cryptographic money market in a very large manner. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $8,606,804,293. Absolute keep going week. On August 12, the in every practical sense aggregate sum of certainly capital dedicated to Dogecoin in a real sense was laid out at $10,640 when $611,056. The information from a month prior and listed on July 19 sort of shows that Dogecoin explicitly had a market capitalization of $9,840 when $447,515. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that explicitly have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and especially are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' chilly wallets in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely complete stock likewise considers any coins that basically have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in a fundamentally significant manner. It can explicitly measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that explicitly is public on the securities exchange, or so they in a real sense thought. The absolute stockpile of Dogecoin at present generally remains at 146,253,276,384 Doge, which sort of is genuinely critical. As currently made sense of, the circling supply certainly is the most regularly involved sort of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which essentially is genuinely critical. It compares with the sort of the best estimate of the essentially by and large number of coins that for the most part are public on digital money trades and sort of add to their liquidity in an exceptionally enormous manner. Their volume doesn't by and large incorporate the coins that truly are vested, marked in beautiful shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use in a truly significant manner. The circling supply essentially is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, which most certainly is genuinely critical. At this moment, the flowing stockpile of Dogecoin basically is assessed at 146,256,384 Doge in a fundamentally significant manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can in every practical sense assist one with in a real sense, deciding most certainly better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that